Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of his 67 Mustang. This comes from Tony in Mount Dora, Florida. Thank you, Tony, for your business from clear across the country. Tony has requested the modern internal FM conversion with Bluetooth, and so we're going to make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get in my area, so let's turn her on.
Even a term policy. Don't lapse or surrender your
Okay, and we're going to check our balance and stuff. Original left-right balance, all the way left, all the way right, left, right. Okay, I'm going to center him.
Call now.
Okay, now we're going to, now we have a virtual front-rear fader. It's in the tone control, and we're going to try that.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center him.
Finally got there after having a number of really good
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, we don't need this stuff anymore. Let's go over to FM, which we do on this model by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run it all the way down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Even reached the area.
His son was in a hospital morgue.
Eres entre todas las mujeres.
Come on.
From all the times
The dream.
used to know.
pathetic tones. Candy corn.
The longer
fire whoever she wants or to
May got you feeling like a champ.
The World Series continues.
Okay,
It
let's try the
is,
8-track.
Interesting. Nobody's watched.
One never coming back home. Keep you in bananas and grapes. You're an angel, I'm a lucky. It's a world full of chicks. I love my baby's leave. Whoa, wonder is it true? Again, I got a one-way. Honey, won't you take your You're the answer.
Ready?
I know.
Pull the tape out, radio comes back, and I've already tested the dial light. You can't see it in this room lighting, but I can see it. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to finish my plumbing job. I'm replacing my entire plumbing system, not the drain lines, but every single bit of the supply line is going out. I've got the job about 3/4 of the way done. I intend to finish it today. Just as soon as I mail this puppy off, I'm getting under the house and playing around with some PVC glue and cement. I'm going to get it all in my hair and everything. I can't wait. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order and visit that entire home page before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all your questions will be answered on the website and in the work order. Not to mention that I'm just not going to remember a lot of really important stuff during a phone call, so it is necessary to visit my website and download and print the work order before calling me with questions. After you've done that, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you, as long as I'm not answering the same questions over and over and over from each new customer. That's what the website and work order are for. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you again, Tony, for your business all the way from Mount Dora, Florida, and we'll see you guys next time.